Hi guys, welcome all back to the channel. Today we'll be taking the Surron to an official indoor karting track. The Surron recently got upgraded with a 12-inch tire setup and we want to humble our skills on an indoor track first before taking up to Spa. Raceland Kart is located in Oudsbergen, close to the Dutch border, and it's unique to its variety of entertainment such as pit biking, karting and even laser games. It didn't take long before we drew some attention from the regulars over here.
What's this?
It's electric.
What's this?
It's 100% electric.
Damn! The frame is...
The frame is still a Surron electric bike.
Like, really?
Yeah.
The same frame that you got, right?
That I have the same. That one, the same as it.
They kinda let me on the track first to lead the way, but seeing this is all pretty new for me and the track is mad technical on its own. I trusted my boy from Redwire Customs to show me how it's done. I'll try to keep up with him. Reviewing this footage, it feels hella slow and makes me want to speed up the video. It's just hard to imagine how many troubles I had braking and cornering. It felt like doing an exam for your driver's license, you know, driving between small cones and making turns. It was a real workout. Although the Surron was way more powerful than these bikes, it might have been overkill for an unexperienced rider just myself. I was already losing Shani out of my sight after lap 2. Was I happy ending this session. I almost took a hit to the face during my first try and I've gotten the fears. We also noticed my foot peg scraping the surface of the tarmac, so we had to find a solution for that in the future.
Auw.
En hoe was het?
Maar één keer bijna op het bak is gegaan en dan met een stuk gepakt. Dus oké, wel het gemakske driving Miss Daisy. Ik zou zeggen, probeer jij eens beter eens keer. Ja, is fel hè. Fel remmen.
Veel remmen, ja. Ik ben uiteindelijk maar zo'n standje hoger gegaan.
Serieus? Ah, geweldig.
Ja, ik denk zelfs de 7 dat hem ook nog kan.
Stel je voor hè.
Ik vind, die rijdt er mooi meer op.
Hij heeft een standje hoor.
Hij heeft echt goed rondgereden.
Maar dat is heel goed gereden hè. Oh ja. Jezus. Wauw.